Are you looking for sources to learn new tech skills? Tired of searching a value for money courses? Then it's for you.
Recently, I was searching for genuine options to learn online at a lesser cost. That's when I discovered Tutedude. I signed up and thought of sharing this because it can truly help students who are looking for free yet effective courses. Let's be real. Learning quality courses today can burn your pockets very deep. And just to be clear, there is no personal gain here. There's no referral program and I'm not sharing any referral links. Now here's why Tutedude caught my attention. Want to learn premium tech skills for free? Welcome to Tutedude, an IIT Delhi alumni initiative. What you get? Expert-led courses, instant mentor support, resume-ready projects, lifetime access to all content, doubts solved within 5 to 10 minutes, and guaranteed internship opportunities. And yes, a 100% refund when you finish everything. Here's how it works. Step 1. Enroll in your favorite course. Step 2. Complete all lectures, assignments, and projects within 3 months. Step 3. Submit everything for review. Once approved, your entire fee is refunded. Refund is sent back to your original payment method. And even after refund, you keep lifetime access to your course, mentors, and support. Terms and conditions. Be clear. Limited seats only. Complete all lectures, assignments, and projects within 3 months. Refund is processed via the original payment method. Lifetime access remains even after refund. Doubts are answered via live chat, usually in 5 to 10 minutes. Courses are recorded, but mentors guide you throughout. More than 21,000 students have already upskilled with Tutedude. Over 200,000 doubts solved, and countless learners advancing their careers. So why pay huge fees elsewhere? Upskill for free, gain real projects, build your resume, get mentored every step of the way. Head to tutedude.com today. Choose your course, enroll, learn, complete, and get your full fee back. Tutedude. Learn for free, upskill with confidence.
You also have flexible options like combo packs, all access passes, and even customizable packs. Or you can choose the courses you want in your combo. Each option comes with its own terms and conditions at an affordable price. And yes, they too include the 100% refund guarantee with their respective policies.
I strongly recommend you to go through the terms and refund policy carefully before joining. At the end of the day, what matters most is what you've actually learned.